What's up guys, this is Jigs Crypto and welcome to my channel. Please make sure to like the video to help the channel. It also helps people to discover our videos in this channel. Now we will have our daily crypto price update. And let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. So looking at Bitcoin, currently it is at 442 trillion and Ethereum at currently 202 trillion. Let's take a look at the top 20 market cap for today. So we have Bitcoin at number 1, Ethereum at second, Tether, USDT, USDC, BNB, XRP, BUSD, Cardano ADA, Solana, and number 10 is Polkadot. Number 11, Dogecoin, DAI, Polygon MATIC, Avalanche or AVAX, Uniswap Uni, Shiba Inu, Tron, Wrap Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, ETC, and number 20, Unised Leo. Now, let's take a look at the top 3 changes within 24 hours. First is Flow with 34%. Second is Trust Wallet Token, TWT, with 12%. And number 3 is Waves with 11%. Now, let's take a look at the top 3 changes within 7 days. Number 1 is Filecoin, FIL, with 37%. Second is Flow with 29%. And third is Yearn Finance, YFI, with 24%. Now, let's see Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. Currently, at this recording, Bitcoin is around $23,154.27. And 24-hour changes, lowest is $22,485.70, while the highest is $23,182.60. Going to Ethereum, as of recording, currently $1,659.23. 24-hour changes, lowest is $1,585.33, while the highest is $1,664.05. Let's go to Cardano or ADA. Currently, at this recording, it is at 51 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 49 cents, while the highest is 51 cents. For Polygon or MATIC, as of recording, it is 92 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 87 cents, while the highest is 92 cents. Now, for XRP, as of recording, currently it has 37 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 36 cents, while the highest is 37 cents. Now, for Avalanche or AVAX, as of recording, it is $23.99, almost $24 now. 24-hour changes, lowest is $22.96, while the highest is $24.06. And lastly, looking at Solana, as of recording, it is $40.02. 24-hour changes, lowest is $38.04, while the highest is $40.11. And that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest videos. And this is Jigs Crypto signing out.